What's up, Kim folks? Welcome back. LT here. Yeah, last week didn't go so good. I didn't catch any crawfish. I probably got about 30 berries, but the birds ate most of them. They've been over here having a field day. Need to get over here and pick some more. The blackberries ain't quite there yet, though. They're still red. All that being said, welcome back to old Crookstick Cabin. These are the two logs we put up there last week, and the wheel fell off and all that crap. Anyways, I've been doing stuff without y'all again. Marked these out yesterday and chiseled around them. I don't like this notch right here, or the knot right here, but it is what it is, I expect. Or how crooked it is. And then I always find mold after it rains, or mushrooms. I was going around with a torch. Not mushrooms, but fungus. Fungi stuff. Anyways, it's looking pretty good, and I measured it yesterday, and it was within a 1/16 of an inch on all four corners up to the top of these logs. That's why this log's kind of fatter on this end. It has worked out about perfect for not even measuring. That's the first time I've actually paid attention to, how high it is from the bricks up to the top of the logs. But anyways, I'm gonna try to notch this one and then match that one to that, so they're both at the same height. Look at the little froggy, little bug eaters. I don't know if they peeing and making this mold or what. This doesn't come unglued. I mean, you can't have nothing studs and what have you. All that being said, I need to get my ladders and walkboard over here. I'm gonna try just using the little baby saw, and I got one of these $20 cordless grinders with a carbide on it for carving wood. That works pretty good. Instead of doing all that carving with the chainsaw, you can actually get down and make it smooth with this. But it does throw dust everywhere. Well, anyways, I digress. I need to get that ladders and walkboard and shut up, get to work. That's what Rot just said. Anyways, didn't catch any more crawfish, but every time I pull up over here, there's a blue herring over there. He's probably fishing out whatever's in there. And it dried up last year because of the drought. Finally got some rain around here. You figured it rained in April, but it waited until May to do a bunch of raining, if you believe that. Anyways, all that being said, let me get up here and shut up. Try to carve this out. Y'all done seen this 100 times. Same old stuff, different logs. But I do got a new tool. No, you should have put your Michael Jackson glove on. You'll go tighten that ratchet strap up. Just sit there and watch. I can tell it's gonna be fun once you get higher. Maybe it won't move now. I got it ratchet down real good. They always want to wrestle you. Y'all go over and get that can hook and pry that thing so it's level. I guess we'll do it in a minute. I can get this back a little bit. You can kind of see what's going on. What irritating shit. Yeah, this little guy did all that whack. And you can lock it. Yeah, it works pretty good. Y'all come move this camera around for me. Yeah, it sucks. This limb is right here, but what you gonna do about it? Don't worry about that little guy. That's what you get when the log won't stop moving. You want to come up here with me? Will it work? This shit ain't gonna work. I got y'all tied onto the ladder with a little strap up here with me. Can you see what I'm doing? Might be a little shaky. My safety glasses, they just keep fogging up, so it is what it is. Safety squint. Hey, what y'all doing? I don't know what they doing over there, kid folks. It's a ruck. They might be stealing some eggs. There ain't no telling around here. It ain't midnight and darkness unless they got a kid. No. Oh well. I'd say this is what that looks like after you're done and got it smoothed up. Too bad there's a tree limb right there, but it should be fine. It's just a little rotten, like right there. All that being said, I'm gonna get my ladders moved down here. We'll get this side notched out. See what it looks like when it sits down. Yeah, that grinder works pretty good with a carbide on there. It came in like a set of 3 wood carving carbides for like $9. That's what that looks like in the dark. It needs to be trimmed some. But I need to clean my mess up, put my tools up, go to the house and eat something. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I know I said some stuff about some stuff, but for real though, I will see y'all tomorrow. Dang, Ken folks. It is a pretty day today. Dang, Ken folks. It is a nice day today. Yeah. What they talking about down there, right? Dang, Ken folks. It's a beautiful blue sky today. What they talking about down there, right? Eating all the berries up. What all them birds talking about, right? Happy and eating all these berries up. Dang. Kin folks, sure is a nice day today. I've been doing stuff without y'all. I usually wait until the sun goes behind the trees, or else, yeah, the video looks like shit. Anyways, all that being said, there ain't really many berries to eat because of the birds over here just tearing them up. Anyways, all that being said, got this done last night. I need to make this touch at least, or take some more off. Like, I'll probably end up doing that. But I need to take a little bit out of this side so it will all come down a little bit. And then I got this big old strap. Try to force that little bow it's got in it out of there. If that makes sense. And this side needs to come down too. Studs and other stuff. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Anyways, same old stuff, different log. Need to take your pencil. Take the carpenter's pencil and just trace it like this. Not up here, but you know, down at the bottom. Probably do both sides on this one. And then same thing up front. Let's see, it just needs to come out of the front. No, a little bit down here. That's where the old beaver got a hold of it. No, that damn debarker. I could round that off. It ain't bad, I guess. Yeah, and then just roll it back over and take a little bit out down here. Yeah, I guess too. This needs to come out right here. Something like that. And this side's open. Should be fine if I take it out of there mostly. I don't know, it might need to take some off right there. It's hard to tell. Yeah, for it to come down for sure. Right here where that. What you whining about, what? You gonna drink all your water? No, you still got some water. I ain't playing with you. Always working instead of playing with that rot. Or is that your boys over there raising hell? So I got to get over there. Papa and them's house. Something going down over there. The hell we doing over here, Daddy? Oh. Oh, act like you needed some water. Want fresh water? I don't know. I'm trying to learn dog language. We don't know. Just gotta guess the 4 things they like to have. You know what I mean? rubbing on woods, get you some splinters. She's in there. She know what I mean, like I get that out of there for me. Just leave it in there. Hell, I'll get it out later. You see that log try to roll over me and kill me? Right. Every 5 minutes, the safety glasses fog up. Upon further inspection, I done unstrapped it, but it was floating back there. It's hitting on a little bump, and on this inside where you can't see, it's holding it up. Let me flip it over and try to do that. Take that little bit out. And then I'll show y'all what it looks like. How about that? That looks a little better. What about this inside? Oh yeah, we can live with that. It's a little open right there, but what you gonna do? Oh, I don't know. What happened? I followed the line. It was probably this knot thing that messed the whole situation up. Oh well, it's on the outside. This, that, and the third thing. That looks pretty good, Kim, folks. Voiceover LT here. I don't know what I was thinking. I just kept on filming stuff. Anyways, I ain't gonna bother y'all with notching out the other one. Same process as I did on this one. All that being said, hope everybody has a good week. See y'all next time. LT out. I mean, just kept on filming and filming. I got like 4 hours of footage. Supposed to condense that into 20 minutes. I hope y'all watch the whole thing.